Hello folks, it's Chisholm Emmanuel here again. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a quick introduction to Pixellab. Alright, so this is the user interface of Pixellab. This is how it's gonna appear when you download it. This is not just exactly how it would appear, but these are the basic things you will have. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the top rows, then the bottom rows. The first icon we have here is to add text, current date, stickers, shapes, and images from gallery, then also draw. The second one here is to save your design and also save as projects so you can continue later. The third one here is also used for saving, but most of the times it is used for sharing instantly to any of your social media. You can also decide to save it, or you can decide to share it. The next one here is not needed. It is pre-installed quotes by Pixellab. The next one here is a toolbar, and when you click on it, you have use images from gallery, expand full screen, use images from camera, export images, image size, and so on. Alright, so we are not going to be touching all these parts because most of the tools you need here are already here. Alright, so to add image from a gallery, all you need to do is tap on this plus icon over here and select from gallery. You'll be redirected to your 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 file manager where you store images. As you can see, I can decide to add this image right here. Then I will be prompted to select the aspect ratio of my choice. For me, I'd go with 1:1, the square, or I'd go with a 16:9, any of the aspect ratios that are here. So to add the image to the design, all you need to do is tap on this tick icon here. You have it appearing in your screen. So over here you have your canvas. This is your workspace. This is where you see what you're designing. As you can see, I am able to move this all around, but I'm coming over to layers. So layers is the next thing we are looking at. Alright, in the layers option, you'll get to lock items to the canvas or to the workspace. So when I try to move around, you can see it is not responding because it is locked. But when I unlock it and try to move it around, it works. Right, the next thing here is to hide it. You can decide to hide it from view, so you doesn't have to obstruct what is behind it. You can also try to drag this down. Alright, so an easy way to move this to the back of everything is by using this icon here. When you tap on it, it sends everything. It sends that image or that property to the back. And when I tap the second one, it sends it to the front. I can also increase the size from here. I could also tilt it to the center. I can align it to the center just like this, or I could move it to the left with this button, or to the right with this button, or to the top with this button, or to the bottom. So let's just keep it to the center. Alright, so I'm going to hide this. Then on hide this, you can see it still works. You can also decide to delete from the layers option here. From this layer menu, you can decide to delete, and once you press on delete, it is gone. You can revive it or undo that action using this button here. So when I tap on it, it comes back again. So I have undo that action. We also have grid lines here, so whenever you are aligning or whenever you are working on logos or something that needs proper alignment, you can make use of your grid lines. I can increase the number of lines by selecting this, then increasing the number. I want 30 horizontal lines and 3 vertical lines. As you have it on the display, we now have 30 horizontal lines and vertical lines.